with the new video of your SST book. We will start with the book of Galaxy Publications, and that is Understanding Social Studies for Class 3. Hello kids, welcome to our new video of your SST chapter, that is chapter number 14, Mumbai. Last time we had studied about Delhi. This time we will study about another city, that is one of the metropolitan cities of India, that is Mumbai. Let's start with the introduction part. Mumbai earlier known as Bombay. तो मुंबई को हम पहले बॉम्बे के नाम से जानते थे. It is the capital of Maharashtra and it is the capital of which state? That is Maharashtra. It is the business capital of India. Many kinds of business are done over here. From 1401 till 1534, Mumbai was a part of the Muslim kingdom of Gujarat when it was added to the Portuguese. तो ईयर 1401 से 1534 तक मुंबई जो है एक मुस्लिम किंगडम जो कि गुजरात का था उसका पार्ट था और इसको ऐड किया गया था पोर्चुगीज में. In 1661, the Portugal gave Mumbai to the British. तो 1661 ईयर में पोर्चुगीज ने हमारे मुंबई को किसको दे दिया? They gave it to the British people, and later Mumbai was made the Indian headquarters of the British East India Company. और बाद में ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने मुंबई को बना लिया था इंडियन हेडक्वार्टर. From 1668 till 1858. Mumbai is mainly famous for its film industry. हम सब लोग मुंबई को ज़्यादातर इस नाम से ज़्यादा जानते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है. It is also the major part of India on the Arabian Sea. तो हमारी अरेबियन सी का जो है वहाँ पर एक मेजर पोर्ट है इंडिया का. Goods from other countries are brought here by ships. तो दूसरी कंट्रीज से यदि कोई माल आ रहा है, कोई गुड आ रहा है, तो उसको लाते हैं हम शिप्स के द्वारा और इस मुंबई के पोर्ट पर उनको उतारा जाता है. Now let's read the location portion. Mumbai is located on the west coast of India. तो कहाँ पे है मुंबई located? It is located on the western coast of our country, India, and it faces the Arabian Sea. और उसका फेस किस तरफ है? अरेबियन सी की तरफ. It is the largest city in the west central India. तो हमारे वेस्ट सेंट्रल इंडिया की सबसे लार्जेस्ट सिटी है मुंबई. मुंबई वॉज अ ग्रुप ऑफ 7 आइलैंड्स. तो मुंबई जो है वो 7 आइलैंड्स का एक ग्रुप माना जाता था. इनहेबिटेड बाय फिशरमैन, जिसको फिशरमैन लोगों ने इनहेबिट किया हुआ था, यानी कि वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा फिशरमैन रहते थे. एज द टाइम पास, जैसे जैसे वक्त बीतता गया, Mumbai developed into a busy city. It turned over to a city which had lots of rush, crowd, and it became a busy city. Let's read the climate portion. The climate along the coast remains very pleasant all the year round. So they are saying क्योंकि this city is actually at the side of the coast near the Arabian Sea, so the weather over there is very pleasant. It is very nice over there. It is neither too hot in summer and nor too cold in winter. ना तो वहाँ सर्दियों में बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है और वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी भी नहीं होती है. During rainy season, Mumbai gets very heavy rainfall. Sometimes it results in floods. तो कई बार रेनी सीजन में मुंबई में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है और कई बार मुंबई जो है फ्लडेड हो जाता है, यहाँ पर पानी भर जाता है और या फिर हम कह सकते हैं वहाँ पर बाढ़ आ जाती है. लेट्स रीड नाउ द ट्रांसपोर्ट पोर्शन. मुंबई lies on the narrow piece of land with water on both sides. तो मुंबई जो है एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा है जो कि पानी में है और दोनों तरफ से पानी से सराउंडेड है। It is linked to the mainland of India by a number of bridges. हमारे इंडिया यानी कि जो मेनलैंड है इंडिया उससे कनेक्ट करने के लिए इसे ब्रिजेस के द्वारा जोड़ा गया है। ब्रिज यू ऑल नो, वी कॉल them as पुल। Mumbai is very well linked to other parts of the country by road, rail, air and sea transport system. तो मुंबई को हमारी कंट्री के अलग अलग पार्ट से कनेक्ट करने के लिए दे आर लिंक्ड बाय व्हाट? रोड, रेल, एयर एंड sea transport system also. If you go through the map, you will find here is Mumbai located. This whole blue area is the Arabian Sea. और इसको हमारी कंट्री से कनेक्ट करने के लिए we have linked it with very number of bridges. Roads are also there. The sea transport system is also over there. Let's read this paragraph. India's first railway line was laid from Mumbai to Thane. Now they are saying कि इंडिया का पहला रेलवे लाइन जो है वो कहाँ पर ले किया गया था? It was laid from Mumbai to Thane in the year 1853. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is in Mumbai. Now the international airport which is situated in Mumbai is known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It is one of the busiest airports of India. हमारे इंडिया का सबसे ज़्यादा busiest airport जो है which is this, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Now let's read about the industries. Film industry is the biggest industry of Mumbai. As you all know कि मुंबई जो है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए फेमस है। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो है it is the biggest industry in Mumbai. Mumbai is also known as a city of factories. तो उसको हम वहाँ city of factories के नाम से भी जानते हैं। Most of the factories make clothes, medicines, oil, chemicals and electric goods. तो ज़्यादातर फैक्ट्रीज किन प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाती हैं? वो it can be either clothes, they can be medicines, it can be oils, chemicals and electric goods. India's first atomic plant, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, was set up at Trombay near Mumbai. तो हमारा फर्स्ट एटॉमिक प्लांट जिसको हम भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर के नाम से जानते हैं, it was set up at Trombay which was again near Mumbai. Then crude oil यानी कि कच्चा तेल, it is also found in the seabed near Mumbai. ये भी हमें near मुंबई जो सीबेड है यानी समुद्री तट है उसके नीचे हमें मिलता है and it is known as the Bombay High. This is the image of Bhabha Atomic Research Center which was set up at Trombay. Let's read the people and their languages. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. ये तो आपको हमने पहले भी पढ़ाया था. People of Maharashtra speak Marathi. So what is the language of the people who are living in Maharashtra? That is known as Marathi. Other languages spoken in Mumbai are Hindi, Gujarati, Konkani and English. So there are other languages also which are spoken in Mumbai. Those are Hindi, Gujarati, Konkani and English. But the main language which the people of Maharashtra speak is Marathi. Let's now do the food and dresses. In food and dresses, we will study that rice, wheat and pulses are the main food of the people of Mumbai. तो चावल, गेहूं और दालें ये सबसे ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करते हैं हमारे मुंबई के लोग. They also like to eat curd and curry. कर्ड यानी कि दही और कड़ी भी उन लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. They eat snacks like भेल पूरी, पाव भाजी and बटाटा वड़ा. उनको कुछ ऐसे स्नैक्स भी पसंद हैं जैसे कि भेल पूरी, पाव भाजी और बटाटा वड़ा। श्रीखंड इज देयर फेवरेट स्वीट डिश। तो उनके फेवरेट स्वीट डिश का क्या नाम है? दैट इज श्रीखंड। धोती, कुर्ता एंड कैप इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ द महाराष्ट्रियन मेन। तो महाराष्ट्र के जो मेन हैं वो क्या पहनते हैं, उनकी क्या ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है? दैट इज धोती, कुर्ता एंड अ कैप। The women wear sari which is tied in a special style. तो वहाँ की जो औरतें हैं वो साड़ी पहनती हैं and they wear this sari in a very special manner. Women put flowers in their hair. ये हमने पहले भी एक चैप्टर में पढ़ा है कि जो महाराष्ट्रियन women हैं they put flowers in their hair. You can also call it as a gajra. They decorate their hair with flowers. So this was all about the food and dress. Now here they have given you two images of pav bhaji and bhel puri. They are their favorite snacks. Let's do the festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of the people of Mumbai. तो गणेश चतुर्थी जो है it is the most important festival, or you can say the main festival of the people of Mumbai. Other festivals such as Holi, Dashera, Diwali and Krishna Janmashtami are also celebrated. So apart from Ganesh Chaturthi, हम दशहरा, होली, दिवाली और कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी जैसे और भी फेस्टिवल्स को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं मुंबई में. If you look at this picture, they are showing you immersion of idols of Ganesh in sea. यानी कि गणेश जी की मूर्तियों को वो पानी में डुबो रहे हैं, इमर्स कर रहे हैं. This is done during the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Now let's start with the world-seeing places. The world-seeing places of Mumbai: the Gateway of India, Chowpatty, Juhu Beach, Marine Drive, Malabar Hills, Prince of Wales Museum and Elephanta Caves are some of the places of Mumbai which are of great interest. If you look at these pictures, this is the picture of Gateway of India, this is the picture of Juhu Beach, and this is the picture of Marine Drive. There are few pictures given over here on the next page that is of a stock exchange office. These are the Elephanta Caves and this is the SL Tower. Let's read the paragraph. Thousands of people visit the Gateway of India every year. तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया को विजिट करने आते हैं. Close to it are the statues of Swami Vivekanand एंड शिवाजी. और गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया के पास स्टैच्यूज हैं लगे हुए स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के और शिवाजी के. कमला नेहरू पार्क, जहांगीर आर्ट गैलरी एंड एसएल वर्ल्ड टावर आर ऑल्सो प्लेसेस टू विजिट. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज टू थिंग्स there are other places like Kamla Nehru Park, Jahangir Art Gallery and SL World Park which people should visit. The largest stock exchange of India is in Mumbai. हमारी इंडिया का जो सबसे बड़ा स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है it is located in Mumbai. Marine Drive is along the coastline. So Marine Drive is present at the coastline of our country. When this coastline lights up at night, it appears like a queen's necklace. तो ये कहा गया है कि ये जो कोस्टलाइन मुंबई में प्रेजेंट है, जब वहाँ पर लाइट्स जलती हैं तो वो ऐसे अपीयर होती है जैसे कि किसी क्वीन का नेकलेस हो. मुंबई इज़ द मोस्ट डेवलप्ड सिटी ऑफ इंडिया. तो जो मुंबई है इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डेवलप्ड सिटी. The old part of the city is the cultural area and has many Gothic styles building. तो जो old part है हमारी सिटी का वहाँ वो ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ भी बहुत सारे कल्चर्स को हम देख सकते हैं और बहुत ही डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स की बिल्डिंग्स भी प्रेजेंट हैं. मुंबई इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड सिटी. डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड सिटीज़ का मतलब है एक ऐसी सिटी जहाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा मात्रा में पॉपुलेशन है, जहाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा मात्रा में लोग प्रेजेंट हैं. सो टू रिड्यूस द लोड ऑफ ओवर पॉपुलेशन The government of Maharashtra has developed a twin city across the Thane Creek. तो इस ओवर पॉपुलेशन लोड को बेयर आउट करने के लिए, रिड्यूस यानी कि कम करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने एक एक्शन लिया है. उन्होंने इसी के जैसी एक ट्विन सिटी का प्रपोजल दिया है. उन्होंने डेवलप की है एक ऐसी ट्विन सिटी. कहाँ पर? अक्रॉस द थाने क्रीक. दिस सिटी इज नोन एज द नवी मुंबई. नाउ इस सिटी को उन्होंने नाम दिया है नवी मुंबई, या जिसको हम ये भी कह सकते हैं नई मुंबई. सो दिस वॉज इट with the chapter. Let's now do the recap part. Recap. The earlier name of Mumbai was Bombay. तो हमारी मुंबई का पहले क्या नाम था? It was Bombay. Mumbai is the capital of the state of Maharashtra. तो मुंबई जो है हमारे महाराष्ट्र स्टेट की कैपिटल है. It is the central point of India's financial and commercial markets. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं हमारी इंडिया का फाइनेंशियल और कमर्शियल पॉइंट जो है वो कौन सा है? मुंबई. There is an international airport situated in Mumbai, जिसको हम जानते हैं इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स के लिए मौजूद है. मुंबई इज द मेन सेंटर ऑफ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. मुंबई को हम मेन सेंटर मानते हैं हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का. गणेश चतुर्थी इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ Mumbai. So Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival which is celebrated in Mumbai. There are many places of interest in Mumbai. हाँ, ऐसी बहुत सी जगह हैं जहाँ आप विजिट कर सकते हैं मुंबई में. And so this was the quick recap of the chapter. Now we will start with the exercises. Now children, now as we are starting with the exercises, some questions will be done by you as your homework so that you can go through the chapter. Some will be done by me. So let's do the first question. The Portugal gave Mumbai to the British in the year 1960, 1661 or 1662. So किस साल में मुंबई जो है ब्रिटिशर्स के पास गई? पोर्चुगल ने उनको कब दिया? Now this question is for you as your homework. Now the second question. Which of the following is not in Mumbai? इनमें से कौन सी जगह ऐसी है जो कि मुंबई में नहीं है? The first one is India Gate, second is Gateway of India, and the sea part is Elephanta Cave. So what is your answer? India Gate. India Gate is not in Mumbai, it is in Delhi. Let's do the third part. Mumbai was a group of dash islands. How many number of islands was Mumbai a part of? 7 islands. Fourth part. The favorite sweet dish of the people of Mumbai is. What is the favorite sweet dish of the people of Mumbai? Is it Rasgulla, Kalakand or Shrikhand? And the answer is Shrikhand. So this is it with the question A. Let's do the question B. Fill in the blanks. Most commonly spoken language in Mumbai. Now which is the most common language by the people? That is Marathi. Second part. Mumbai is the main dash production center. Mumbai is the main dash production center. Now this part is for you as your homework. Next, dash is the main festival of people of Maharashtra. तो main festival जो है महाराष्ट्र का क्या है? That is Ganesh Chaturthi. Let's do the fourth part. India's first railway line was laid from dash to dash. Where was the first railway laid from? Now this question again you will do as your homework. The climate of Mumbai is very what? Now what is the climate of Mumbai? It is very pleasant. That means it is neither too hot and nor too cold. With this, we have completed exercise B question. Let's start with the C question, that is match the following. Now first is Chopati. Now this you will do on your own. Second is Marine Drive. What it is? It is actually a sea beach. Then what is the climate of Mumbai? Well, the answer is humid. Ganesh Chaturthi. It is the main festival of the Mumbai or also the Maharashtra. Fifth, Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai is basically the Thane Creek. Let's start with the D question, that is write true or false against each statement. The first question is Mumbai is the largest port in India. So the answer is true. The second question, Mumbai is located in West Bengal. This statement is false. Third question, Telugu and Urdu are the main languages spoken in Mumbai. This statement is again false statement. Marathi is the main language that is spoken by the people in Mumbai. Fourth part, Cham Cham is the favorite sweet dish of the people of Mumbai. The answer is false. No, Shrikhand. Shrikhand is the main favorite sweet dish of the people of Mumbai. Fifth question, Mumbai is famous for its film industry. Is this true? Yes, the statement is true. So children, stay tuned for the new video. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you.